Hey, so definitely check out that website that Monica linked to you. That is always my go-to to give teachers. But you also asked specifically for a tutorial on how to create drop-down menus. So it's actually easier than you might think. It just takes a little bit of memorization. So you just select the places you want your drop-down menu to go. So I will remove all of this. That way I don't mess with uh, um, your actual sheet here. But actually, you know what? For kicks and giggles, I'm going to make a copy. That way I don't screw with your stuff. All right, so this is going to be a copy of your Google Sheet, which is cool. Good start here. I like the formatting and stuff you've got going on here. So on my copy, let's say I wanted this column to be an option of between 1 and 3. Okay, so I am going to highlight every cell. These little boxes are cells. I'm going to highlight every cell that I want to have the drop-down menu in. And then I'm going to come up here to data. I'm going to come to data validation. And then I'm going to change this to a list of items. And then you just put whatever you want in here that you want to show up, and they just separate them by commas. So if I want the option to be a 1 or a 2 or a 3 or a 4 or a 5, I just do that and go on and on and on. This could be numbers, this could be colors, this could be whatever, right? Hit save. And now if I click in this, I can make this a 2, I can make this a 4, I can make this a 5, right? Now, the other cool thing you can do with this, and this is getting a little bit fancy, but I figure I'll throw it in here anyways, is you can do some conditional formatting. Meaning if I want it to be blue when it's a 2, and green when it's a 4, and pink when it's a 5, I can do that. So I'm going to highlight those cells again. I'm going to come up here to Format, Conditional Formatting, and now I'm going to get this over here. And so now notice G5 to G23, because I highlighted that. And I am going to click on my options here, and I'm going to say text is exactly 2. I want it to be blue. Done. Add another rule, same range. Text is exactly 1. I want it to be empty. Text is exactly 3. I want it to be yellow. Text is exactly, what do we do, 4, okay. I want it to be purple. And finally, text is exactly 5. I want it to be pink. Now, if I click on this, why did it do that? Oh, because it was 1. I'm dumb. But I click on 2. I click on 3. I click on 4. Look at that. It's just going to fill that color, that cell color, based off of whatever text is in that color. All right, kind of cool. Let me know if you need help.